Why do some acrylic signs crack under stress, while others bend flawlessly? Why do aquariums exclusively use cast acrylic? The answer lies in one critical choice: cast versus extruded acrylic. Though they look identical, their hidden molecular differences make or break projects. Today, we dissect every factor: laser results, bending limits, cost gaps, and real failures, so you pick the right material. Let's start with the root difference. How they're born. Cast acrylic is slow cured, creating high molecular weight chains for toughness. Extruded acrylic is machine pressed, aligning molecules directionally for uniformity. This birth story explains every performance gap. Laser engraving cast acrylic, you get high contrast frosted text, but engrave extruded, barely visible marks. For cutting, extruded wins with natural flame polished edges, while cast leaves rough edges needing polishing. The verdict: use cast for art engraving, extruded for clean-cut displays. Heat bending. Extruded acrylic, its low melting point delivers predictable bends, but only parallel to extrusion lines. Cast acrylic, unreliable, it warps, cracks, or springs back. For curved retail displays or machine guards, extruded is your hero. Cast, stick to flat or warts. Cast acrylic resists salt water, UV rays, and scratches. Perfect for aquariums. Extruded, prone to stress, cracks, and chemical damage. If your project faces weather, chemicals, or weight like giant aquariums, cast is non-negotiable. Need budget sheets. Extruded's continuous production makes it cheaper for science, shelves, or prototypes. But for precision, Extruded's plus or minus 0.1 millimeters thickness tolerance beats cast's plus or minus 0.5 millimeters variation. Save money, but sacrifice precision. A startup tried hand-bending acrylic for displays. Cracks everywhere. Why? They used cast acrylic. The fix: switch to extruded plus industrial heaters for flawless curves. Moral: match the material to your tools. There's no the best acrylic, only the best fit for your project. Use cast for engraving, durability, or aquariums. Use extruded for bending, tight budgets, or precision cuts. Need expert-grade acrylic? Share your goals below or visit our site for free material recommendations.